Hello, Nomad Sculpt, Quickshots, Part 18. Spiral staircase, I think. Okay, I turn to the Nomad app, or I switch to the Nomad app. This is the staircase. It looks like this. I delete it and we start from the ground up. We need a cylinder, turn the wireframe on, and go to orthographic view. In the topology settings, we add a hole. We can reduce the hole radius, and we can. I I go to 12 because the higher the division is, the longer it takes to create it. We can adjust the size a little bit, and in the side view we only need one stair to create this. We can make the hole a little bit smaller in the middle, and when we are fine we can validate this object. Now we add another object. We need a cone, reduce the division to 4, and all other divisions to 1, and we scale it down. Make a solo view. Oops, not lock, solo. I think it's okay. Validate this object. We can use the outline function to see which object is active, and the cone we can hide. Now we need the selection mask. Symmetry is off. We need the lasso tool, and we select unmask is on. We select one stair, and in the mask settings we can set the shell thickness to 0, and when we split it, fill. Now we have one stair. We switch to the stair itself again. The function is always on. Symmetry jumps on again and split it again, and change to the symmetry is on again, and split it again. This object we don't need anymore, but we can make it, for example, additive and reduce the opacity a little bit. And okay, now we have 3 stair steps, and we can change the view. And first we need the middle one. we use the gizmo, bring it up in a position like this, and then we need the third one and bring it up in a position like this. Now we can hold the smooth button and pick all 3 stair steps, and in the scene menu we can simple merge it. Go to the top view, and now we can show the cone again, and now we have to adjust the gizmo. I switch the auto button off, turn the pivot to edit mode, and I don't know if this works, first hit or middle step, and make sure at the bottom you pick the lock section. I pick this, and I hope it's correct in the middle, but I think it's not in the middle. Scale here and try to a snap function. I don't know if there's a snap function. I hope it's okay. Lock the pivot again, and now you can unlock this. You can on the left side you can clone the object and set the rotation to 90 degrees. It's okay, and rotate it 1 time. You can clone it again, and make it look like this. In this view you can change the objects. Oh, it's the wrong one. Now I think this one is active, or I need this one. I need this to position it here. It's a little bit confusing at the moment, but we get it. This one to bring it here, and this one to bring it here, I think. Now it's complete. We can hold the smooth button, select all objects, and simple merge it. And now you can press the clone button again and bring the a second object in place. I think, I think now it's correct. And this is the spiral step. To complete it, you can hold the smooth button again, simple merge it, and now you can add a cylinder. Make the walls, make a solo view, and adjust the walls like this, and you can adjust the height of this one to make it correct, and now you're fine. You can hide the wireframe. In the top view, you can use a mask, a selection mask. For example, rectangular. And to select both, use the smooth button and select both, and you can simple merge it. And now you can use the selection mask to hide something. Turn the outline off. And now you have a view inside. Okay, this is a spiral step. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.